Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on allow others to share your post to their story on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on allow others to share your post on their story, go to your Facebook profile and click on your account icon on upper right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. In left pane, scroll down. Under audience and visibility, you will find profile and tagging. Click on profile and tagging. Here you will find an option allow others to share your posts to their stories. It's turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on. Allow others to share your post to their story is turned on right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.